So I'm gonna start off by showing you how I prepare my rice water for the people. So I let the rice water rest for like 17 hours, you see. So what I did first is I rinsed it 2 times and then just put it in this glass jar, you see, and left it for like, you see, until the water gets white like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put it in here, you see, and then I'll put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes, you see, and then put it in my spray bottle and I'll just spray it all over my hair, you see. So I'll quickly just do that. Put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes, just until it's perfectly warm, you see, and then I'll put it in the spray bottle. Let me see, 2 minutes. So I'll quickly just go and get my spray bottle. So after letting the rice water rest for like about 10 minutes until it's just like low, you see, then go straight in and go and spray it over my roots. I first of all start spraying it on my roots, you see, and then I go and spray it all over the rest of the hair until every hair in that section is drenched in water, like you see. It has to be, I make sure that the whole section is covered in rice water, or I just spray it until I'm satisfied with it, you see. And then what I do is I tie that section with my own hair, and then just do it the same thing with all the other sections, and then I'll put it in a shower cap. And but before doing that, I just make sure that I go all over the rice water and the areas I miss, like my ends and my edges, because most people forget to spray the edges, which is very important. And then after I sprayed rice water all over my hair, I put the shower cap on and leave it for like at least 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, just for the rice water to like really go into the hair. And then and after like the rice water has been for in my hair for like 10 minutes, I'll just go and wash it out. And after washing it out, I'll immediately start with the shampooing process. As you can see here, I'm shampooing my hair in, I'm just like sectioning, you see, with my own hand for the section that I'll be able to manage to detangle, you see. And then as you can see, detangling my hair, also go through it to make sure there's no knots in the hair. And then you see, like, this method of shampooing is actually very effective because it also helps you to retain length. By detangling your hair while you're shampooing actually makes your wash day more to go by faster, because by the time you condition your hair, you deep condition your hair, you won't have like a lot of work to do. So as you can see, I'm detangling my hair, finger detangling my hair as I'm shampooing. And then after that, I wash the shampoo out, and then I start by taking small section and detangling it until all the knots are out. And then I start to apply the deep conditioner in it. As you have noticed, I didn't condition my hair but deep conditioned it, because like for me, I feel like conditioner and a deep conditioner is more effective than a conditioner, you see. Because in the past I would condition and deep condition my hair, and it's like it's just a waste of money. Deep conditioner is better because it conditions your hair but in a deeper level, you see. And it also like gives me a very good grip to detangle. So after I put the deep condition in my hair, I also go through with the detangle brush, and then I put my hair in braids. You see, I'm gonna wash it in braids because by doing that I'll be able to retain length, you see, after I wash my hair, instead of washing the deep conditioner and having my hair out, not in sections at all, you see, just having my hair out. But by washing it like in braids, I've actually noticed that I'll be able to retain length. So after I put the deep conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna I first put a plastic bag on it and then the shower cap, because I'll go over with the hair dryer for like 10 minutes, until I just make sure that my hair was in a deep condition, like the deep conditioner really goes in the hair, you see, for an effective, yes, for just for the deep conditioner to be effective. So in 10 minutes, I'm just gonna hair dry my hair like in a medium heat, just for 10 minutes, go over my hair, you see, just for the deep conditioner to go in. And then after that, I just wash the deep conditioner off. As you can see here, I just washed it off, and then I just towel dry my hair, so that I can just so that I can make sure that by the time I go to bed that the hair is dry. As you can see, I started filming around 5, and now it's about 9, 8, 9, because of like the 30-minute breaks in between that I take. You see, for example, for the deep conditioner to really go in and so on. So I just continue to towel dry my hair, and then after drying it, I'll just let it dry. And then when it gets dry, I'll just I'll just moisturize it. So like the results of this wash day is gonna be in the next video.